Hello, this is Betsey Delorey to demonstrate my final website. Run a fresh copy of the program, and I'll hop over to the My Account link and first demonstrate that there is no first name cookie that exists. And if I go ahead and register a new user, I get a success message. Thanks for registering, Adam. Click on my account. I have an acknowledgement, also hello Adam, which appears on all the other pages in the website. But I do not see my account information until I log in. And at this point, there does exist a cookie for first name, which is how we're getting this message out. We'll log Adam in. At which time, hi is changed to welcome Adam. It appears on every page as welcome and as a link that will take me back to the admin page. And the first name cookie has been deleted. And I think I demonstrated, but the admin link will always take me back to the admin page. I'll go ahead and just log in as an admin. Okay, again, I'm seeing the welcome admin and all of the functionality we have, update account information we had for Adam, and now the products link and the reviews table that a user can edit or delete their reviews. I will go to product page and show that if I jump to the bottom of the page, I can see the current reviews available for that product. And as a logged in user, I am invited to add a new review. Unbelievably great Canon. Submit. If I jump to the bottom of the page, I can see my message. Thanks for sharing. Your review has been added below. Unbelievably great Canon. We could go out to the database and refresh, and it appears on the reviews table as a newly inserted review. And if I go over to the welcome admin, or the admin page, I can see my newly added review. And I'm just going to change incredibly great Canon. Submit. My review is successfully updated. And if I check it, if I go to delete it, the warnings, you cannot undo a delete. It's an incredibly great Canon, but we're going to get rid of that one. my review has been deleted and the mortar review is gone. If I go over to the edit, and since I misspelled that one, I'm going to try to just get rid of it, but instead, or change it, but I cannot submit a blank review. So I'll refresh this page, and if I go to no validate and try to do that, it'll tell me that it cannot be blank. So I'll say yes, an awesome Canon, and I'll go ahead and submit that. It was submitted successfully, and we can see it here on the table, and we can refresh and see yes, an awesome Canon on that screen. I think that's all the functionality. I'll go back and show that the edit page is validating the HTML, and I'll go to the delete page and validate the CSS. No errors. And after I log out, there is no welcome or hello message on any page. So that is my review of the website. I hope it's complete, and thanks for watching. Thanks for a great semester.